Hello friends, in this video I am making a simple watercolor sketch on a sketchbook. I am using an A5 size sketchbook and it's 120 GSM thick. So I am making an ink sketch and I am using a normal waterproof gel pen for this, and the brand I am using is Link Ocean black gel pen. So it's a simple drawing. I don't do too much of a detailed drawing, and the objective of this video is not to make very complex watercolor. It's a simple watercolor, right? I think this much is done for the drawing. I'm giving a simple pale wash for the sky. I'm using a cerulean blue sort of color, and I'm making it slightly darker as I come down. What I see is that around my drawing the pigment is getting pushed away, maybe because of some impurities of the ink or so. So you may not find it on all the inks, but on this pen I am getting this issue, but I am ignoring it. So I am making darker washes as I come to the bottom. I'm using a little purple color for that. Some darker strokes to suggest some subtle ripples. Right. So please consider subscribing to this to my channel if you like these kind of watercolor narrative tutorials. Please consider subscribing it, and please also press the bell icon so that you get notified for all my future videos. Now the initial wash is getting dry, but I'm giving some suggestion for some contrasting color for the boards. So the color doesn't really matter. It is just I liked the contrast of red, so I used a variation of red. And to get some sense of volume for the board, I am using darker color for the receding portion of the board. Right. Some sort of a turquoise color for the figure. Again, this is very suggestive figure, not very much worried about the details. This watercolor by itself, it's very suggestive, it's very simple. I'm not targeting for a complex or very realistic kind of a watercolor here. Some suggestion for the reflection. Just again, it is a suggestive reflection. I'm using a purplish blue color for the reflection, and I'm using a natural hair round brush for this. For the initial wash I used the same thing. I think I used the same watercolor brush, the round color natural hair brush. And here I am doing the reflection first. I don't have anything as a reference, so I'm just following my heart to do this watercolor. Right, I think we are getting closer. We might give some additional accents with some more ripples, okay, and maybe a touch of orange for the face. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. I'll ensure that I am responding to all the questions as early as possible. Right, these are some suggestions for ripples. again very suggestive. I think we are pretty much done. I'm just trying to review this and see if I need to do any minor touches to enhance it. I might consider using some pure white pigments to give some highlighting touches. So these whites are watercolors, Chinese white watercolors, and the brand of watercolor that I have used for this work is Mijello Mission Gold, and for this Chinese white I have used Camel Artist Quality watercolor. I think we are pretty much done now. I don't want to spoil it by adding too much of details, just finishing by making a signature. Right, I think that's it. This photo is taken on an ambient light and a normal sunlight, so it might look a little bit brighter. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was informative to you and there was something for you to learn from. Please do practice these kind of simple watercolors, and if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments below. So please consider subscribing and pressing the bell notification if you like this video. Thank you very much.